This is from Uping stock trend prediction channel. So this week is a very good week. So because the spikes from a couple of stocks were captured that really made a good profit. So let's take a look at Zoom. So this is the Zoom daily chart, and this is a Zoom monthly chart. So we can change this chart to weekly chart. So you see this is the Zoom, and this is a weekly chart, and this is the Zoom daily chart. So you see this right now, today is Saturday, so this daily chart, so each vertical line is 1 day's data. So this is Friday, and this is August 27th, and this is August 26th, Thursday. So you can see from this daily chart, and there's a spike, the sudden increase of the stock price in a short period of time. So there's a spike in Zoom price changes. So you see, actually, this is relatively in the low price region. So I purchased some stocks from Zoom around this low price region. So it's a kind of this kind of price change increase. Price increase is a kind of was expected, and I have been waiting for price increase for Zoom for a few days, for many days actually. So right now, for this sudden increase of this Zoom price on August 26th, so actually it's captured very well by this Uping stock trend prediction model. So this is a daily chart. So you can see this is a weekly chart. So this weekly chart, so this you can see the last week, the stock price is basically the closing price is around here. It's already reaches to the minimum value of touches this trend lines, minimum value trend lines. So yeah, I mean, I purchased it around that time. So if you purchase the Zoom stock around this low price region, that's a good timing to buy the stock for Zoom at that time, because it already reaches the low price region, reaches the minimum value. So let's look at the stock price change this week. So basically this is 1 week's data, because this is a weekly chart. So each vertical line, and that means the stock price fluctuation in 1 week. So let's change it to the 60 minutes charts. So this is a Zoom, that's a 60 minutes chart. So you see this 60 minutes chart. So a day, this is the Friday, August 27th. So you have 7 bars in 60 minutes chart, about 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 1 day's data. That's Friday data. And this is the Thursday's data. So you can see on Thursday, from the just opening of the market, stock market, there's a very kind of a spike, a shooting of the upward the stock price increase with a very high momentum. So it's a sudden increase of this stock price, and it's basically just jumped from this low price, and this is the closing price of the previous week. This is 300, around 338, actually 337.73, and just jumped to this opening high, 350.55. It's just jumped here. There's a sudden jumps from this one to this one, and then it will fluctuate on that 60 minutes in the next in the first hour of August 26th. So there's a sudden increase. So it has a lot of momentum, good momentum to move the stock price increase further. So you see this kind of a spike. The peak value is almost happened around 357.96. So that's basically the peak value is here on daily chart. On daily chart, this peak value is around 358.00. So you see, this is the first layer of a resistance trend line. So it has a very high momentum to break this the first layer of resistance trend line. So it has a high momentum and it continues to increase to this peak value. And there's another layer of resistance trend line. So it doesn't have enough momentum to continuously reach this kind of second layer of the upper layer of the resistance trend line. So it's just stopped there. So the upper level of this resistance trend line provide another kind of defense or another layer of prediction about the highest value or the maximum value that it may potentially reach. So even though you sell it, if you sell it, the stock price around this region, and this peak is 300, this peak value is 358, something like that, and this the closing price or this low price region, this price is 337. So it's about $43 difference. $43 difference within about 1 hour. Okay, during the first hour of the August 26th. So I mean, I have many videos that talk about this kind of prediction by this Uping stock trend line prediction. So we can identify this kind of a potential minimum value or maximum value. So basically it's good to purchase a stock at the low price region and sell the stock at the high price region. So if we can predict the kind of the minimum value, and you can just buy the stocks around that low price region. So that's basically this kind of spikes of $43, $47. That's basically this kind of a sudden stock price change, the increase could be captured and make a good profit. So that's basically this week is a very good week, as I already estimated this kind of price increase, and it's a kind of as expected, and then actually captured this kind of a spike. So it's a very good capturing and a very good sale. So you see this kind of the stock price after the first spiking or in the first hour. During some other hours it drops, slowly drops, and then in the first day, and then when it drops, this 60 minutes chart and this kind of a low minimum value are also captures very well. You see this kind of a minimum value and the maximum value are also captured very well by this kind of a trend line. And on Friday, the first hour actually is also, this is the opening price on Friday morning. So this is the low price, this is the closing price on Thursday night. It's here. So this price is 340.55. So it's basically 340, and this is 344. So that's a $4 difference. Yeah, this opening price is 344. So that's still $4 difference. So even though you purchased it around this and then sell it at this, you can still make a $4 the kind of a profit for each share. So that's a good example. So if you are interested in this kind of stock market analysis, you can continue to watch videos in YouTube by using the keyword search Uping stock trend prediction, or you can subscribe the Uping stock trend prediction channel using the icon around here. So thanks for watching.